Today, we will throw some more light on the oscillating aspect of our own self. The mind has got two aspects. Like there are two aspects of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic mind is that one which moves further for its application in the external world as per its needs, as per its inclinations and propensities, likes and dislikes and passions, requirements, fears and guilt, driven by something. The mind acquires kinetic energy to move from center to the periphery. But unfortunately, if it loses the connection from the center and goes away with certain escape velocity, crossing the power of hara, which pulls it to its core, which pulls it towards itself, the mind eternally gets stuck in the external world, eternally gets stuck in the world of comparison and competition. He goes on increasing the bank balances, he goes on constructing building by building, he goes on comparing with people. He is driven by his pride and prejudice, by his passions, by his judgment, and becomes short sighted. Only at the fag end of his life he will realize that he has lost his center. Like a drunken driver who has lost his address, when kinesis becomes the factor for the mind, one loses one's center. Mind should be the slave of the center. When we catch hold of the center, we can use the mind as per the need, as per the occasion, as per the trials and tribulations of life. What happens even a seeker when he enters the path of sadhana? Initially he goes to the center to come back because of huge likeness for the external world. The external world is never wrong, but getting stuck is wrong. Having wealth is never wrong, but getting stuck there psycho-emotionally is wrong. So he moves like a pendulum from the external world to the internal world, on and off. This state of affairs is called as Anavasthitattvani by Yogi Patanjali. That means which makes you oscillate from your deeper core to the periphery. One of the main diseases of the soul. We give leave letter to our institutions saying that I'm physically sick, suffering from fever, abdominal pain, injuries, whatsoever. We should also apply a leave, claiming that we are spiritually sick. Most of the human beings are spiritually sick. This malady is pandemic, already global. We need the entire mankind to centralize its consciousness. This is possible by way of raising our own consciousness and taking our grits forward diligently. Best wishes.